Hello, everyone. I hope you and your loved ones are as healthy, happy, and secure as possible during these tremendously historic times. I know I have much to do on the home front, and I am sure there are unique situations and experiences that you are all going through as well. Therefore, I want to keep our online learning very simple during these next 2 weeks. With that said, I also want us to incorporate what we have been doing all year in regards to the skills of an historian to try and help your class make sense of the world we are now living in. That is why your assignment for this week will be to write a 2-paragraph argument that answers the following question. What lessons can we learn from the nation's sick economy of the late 1920s to help us prepare for the economic realities after the COVID-19 pandemic? Your 2 assignments for April 16th will be these 2 paragraphs. The first assignment will be about your understanding of the causes of the Great Depression and how they relate to our economy presently. You will have a classwork graded based on how well you made an argument using evidence and warrants from the secondary and primary sources assigned. Your second assignment will be based on how well you extend the argument from your first paragraph based on an article from the Washington Post. The questions you use to craft your arguments for each paragraph are: for the first paragraph, what should we learn from our readings from Module 9, Lesson 1, The Nation's Sick Economy, and one primary source from the DBQ packet, What Caused the Great Depression, that would help us to understand our current economic reality? Your second paragraph, the question is, how does the lesson from the nation's sick economy help to prepare you as a citizen for the economic realities of the COVID-19 pandemic based on your understanding of a current newspaper article from the Washington Post? I only want you to write 4 sentences in your first paragraph. The first sentence is stating your argument, and I provide you with a simple sentence starter. I need you to cite and quote a sentence from one of the primary sources from the DBQ packet. The packet is found here. Great Depression and primary sources, you click View, and then it's documents 1 through 11. Provide warrants for Module 9, Lesson 1 in your next sentence, and then make your move. The only move you'll be making with evidence here is illustrating. For the second paragraph, again, I provided you with a sentence starter. I've provided 5 articles from the Washington Post for you to use as evidence. Here are the online links where it says Washington Post articles 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here are where you can find PDF versions if a link is not loading on your device. Washington Post stories 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You only need to read enough of one article to find evidence for how understanding the Great Depression can help you prepare for the economic realities we will face. Provide warrants again from Module 9, Lesson 1, which can be the same from your first paragraph. Then finally, write a sentence or 2 extending your argument. How will you turn in this assignment? I will create a Google document and share it with all students in your class. You will be able to see each other's work and learn from one another. You will write your name, skip a line, then write your 2 paragraphs in your own document, then copy and paste it into the shared Google Doc. I will provide an example at the top of the class's Google Doc. The next video will explain to you what steps you need to follow to complete this assignment.